Hello friends, we are going to perform the practical half adder and subtractor. Aim: draw the necessary circuit diagram for a half adder and subtractor using 74XX series. Connect the circuit and verify the rules of binary addition with the help of truth tables. This is the logic diagram for a half adder. It has two inputs A and B and outputs are sum and carry. The XOR gate is used to get the sum and AND gate is used to get the carry. This is the truth table for half adder. If A is 0, B is 0, then sum is 0 and carry is 0. If A is 0, B is 1, then sum is 1 and carry is 0. If A is 1, B is 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. If A is 1, B is 1, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. To verify this truth table, we build this half adder diagram into the Protis simulation software. We pick the devices or components by clicking on P. We search the components using the keywords. Firstly, we get the XOR gate 7486. So we get 7486 in our component list. Then 7408, that is AND gate, and we require switches, register, and then LED. Okay, now we place all the components. Firstly, we place the XOR gate. Then AND gate, switches, registers, LEDs. Require power supply, so this is plus VCC, and we place the ground. Flip these two switches and change the name of switch 1 to A and switch 2 to B. Change the values of resistor to 20 ohm to 20 ohm. Okay, now we connect all the components. Input A is given to pin number 1 of OR gate. B is connected to pin number 2 of OR gate. Output of OR gate is connected to LED. This LED shows the sum. We change the name of this LED to sum. Again, A is connected to pin number 1 of AND gate. B is connected to pin number 2 of AND gate. Output of AND gate is connected to the LED. This LED shows the carry. Connect the switches to plus VCC and ground. Okay, the circuit is connected now. We run the simulation. So here A is 0, B is 0, then sum is 0 and carry is also 0. Now we make A 1, B 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. A 0, B 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. And A 1, B 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So this truth table is verified. Now this is the half subtractor, logic diagram of half subtractor. The only change between half adder and subtractor is A is inverted and given to the input of AND gate, and this is the truth table of half subtractor. If A is 0, B is 0, then difference is 0, borrow is 0. If A is 0, B 1, then difference is 1, borrow is 1. If A is 1, B is 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. And if A1, B1, difference 0, borrow is 0. So we connect or build this logic diagram in Proteus. We need to change only A input of AND gate. We need NOT gate 7404. Okay, and connect. Okay, this is the half subtractor. We run the simulation. So here A is 0, B is 0. So we need to change this to difference and borrow. Now we run the simulation. If A is 0, B is 0, then difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. If A is 1, B is 0, then difference is 1, borrow is 0. If A is 0, B is 1, then difference is 1, borrow is 1. And if A is 1, B is 1, then difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. So we verified this truth table of half subtractor. Thank you.